You're watching a K-pop music video I built from scratch in a couple of hours. Notice how the vocals match the visuals? We finally reached the point where AI lip sync is looking more natural. In this video, I will show you how to build this yourself, from the song and consistent character to the lip sync. On Openart, you can use a bunch of image and video models. I paid for an Openart subscription, which is perfect for experimenting. Let me show you how I did it. Step 1 is the song. I wanted something unique, so I asked ChatGPT for K-pop lyrics in English about sushi and love. I know it sounds crazy, but I love sushi, so I went with it. Here is what came out. You're my sushi. Got me rolling deep in love. Okay, let's go with this. I copied the lyrics and went back to Suno. Click Create and paste them here in the lyrics box. Let's set the style to Korean K-pop girl band, fast, synthetic pop, and then click Create. I ran this a few times, so I'll have a few more choices on which one I like best. Alright, let's listen to this. Honestly, I love Suno. This song is stuck in my head now. Now let's generate our character. Inside the Openart model selector, you see tons of options. See Dream, Flux, Nano Banana. I tested a bunch of them, and in my opinion, Nano Banana is the one that actually creates a consistent character with the same face. Here is the prompt I used. In the prompt, I specifically added a line asking for the realistic skin texture of pores, so she doesn't look too plastic. It's not perfect, but it looks much better than the default. This result will now serve as a reference image for our idol. Now here comes the challenge, which is putting her in different outfits and backgrounds while maintaining the face consistency. For this, let's go to Chat to edit and select Nano Banana as our model. Using the base character we just generated as a starting point, I simply type in my changes. First, the outfit change. I wanted a clean studio shot, and here is what I typed. Cool, let's look at the face. If you compare it to the original, it is quite similar. I'm quite happy with it, and let's move on. Secondly, the scene change. I tried something harder. I moved her to a high-end sushi lounge and asked the AI to put chopsticks in her hand. Usually, AI messes up hands, but because we are editing inside the existing image, rather than generating from scratch, the hand actually looks okay in this photo. Once I knew this workflow worked, I just went for it. Here are a bunch of other scenes with different outfits and hairstyles that I created using the same logic. After we have all our photos, let's get to the lip sync. Let's go to Video, and then click Lipsync Video. For the model, I'm using Openart's own lip sync model, which I think is the most credit-effective option right now. I uploaded this sunset shot I created earlier, along with the sushi song clip. I hit generate, and here is the result. I like it. It catches the beat, and the shape of the mouth does match the lyrics. Finally, I used Kling inside of Openart for the B-roll. This is for the shots where we don't need singing, but we need camera movement. I took this image of her lying on the ground. I didn't just want it to move. I wanted a cinematic orbit. So in the prompt, I set the camera to orbit around her and slowly push right into her eye. Here is the prompt I used. Look at that. I love the movement. This is how you create a music video without the need for a camera or crew. Next, put the clips all together in your video editor and you have a full music video. For me, I use Final Cut Pro to edit all my videos.
you're my sushi. Got me rolling, rolling deep in love. My tamago egg, so sweet and golden. You're the only one I'm dreaming of. Yeah, my sushi, a perfect combination. Ooh, just one look from you, my heart goes toki toki.
Now, is it perfect? No. If you look closely at the street scene, the cars are definitely driving backwards. But hey, sometimes music videos are just weird like that. Let's call it a futuristic scene and pretend I planned the scene. So here we go, a K-pop idol, a custom song, and a music video, all done within an hour. I've linked all the tools I used in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.